Gibor pulit kilayo ban kemno ya u ehrang barim ka kenhun king atir United Achik Liberation Army UALA bat ya arngut kiwe pat halor ka jingthmu ban pynkhie embiang ya ka kenhun Seng lehnoh kablasha ken bean ka Garo National Liberation Army GNLA. Kini kilaingut kiblasha kemno kidei kibalatip kerteng kum usimsang ke marak saphos nam na resu belpara uti sangma saphos nam bat usurish sangma laipu ars namrta kibadai na adogre. Habakran Syllad pathai khubor hakasan tarik menta ubnai u Superintendent of Police ka North Garo Hills u Bruno e sangma ulaong ba usimsang ude u ehrang barim jong ka kenhun king atir UALA. U simsang udai ubalayo ya ki jingarap lingba ka sorkar bat udai ubadan kti hakmat hakabaya dei bakani ka jingthmu udai ru ubala shat wet jor hai ki pulit ka Assam kayeng bishar ha Assam kala pengat ya u hapo ki kendon MPWA bat ngin IT ya u syaki pulit ka Assam kata hadian baladap ban penlong ya ka jingto kit hapo North Garo Hills ong uhe pulit lakem no yakini ki laingut hadin ka jing ujor e jahar hapo kharkuta police station ha ka arpusaw tarik urampang baladap. Shwa kani kiladon ru ki jing tho hapo ki social media ki balami ha ka nyo tarik urampang baladap ki baong baka GNLA kala khe embiang. Na kini ki laingut nilayo ban kurup ya ki mobile phone ya ki bala pendan kam nakabenta ki kam pentriam. Kila dawa pisa hadu arpau hajar tingka na uwe ulanan ubadai na North Garo Hills ong usangma. Da ka ba penpau bakintang don chuchu ki bandang syakem hakini kisngi ki banwan USP ulaong. Kidon kumbah nyo hadu prangut ki dekat hakani kenhun ka bathamai kumta ngin ammap satya bat ngin bet thong yaki. Habakeli usangma ulaong ba yaki babun ki tiar yale balaburi da ka GNLA layo ban kurup no ha William Nagar hakapor bangadang don hakani ka jaka. Ya mentahi ngimsyam layo kurup tiar AA ula benrap syusyu.
Regarding regrouping of GNLA, in the month of February 7th, there was a social media posting saying that GNLA has regrouped. And on the 25th of February 2024, we have received one FIR in Calcutta PS. And based on the FIR which we received, we have conducted investigations. And so far, till date, we have arrested 3 people in this regard. And the names of those people are Seng Kemara from Resubelpara, Hardak, and he is 40 years of age. Then we have arrested Tilja Sangma from Adokre, he is 40 years of age. Then we have arrested Suresh Sangma from Adokre only. He is 32 years of age. As of now, investigation is going on and we have seized mobile phones from their possessions which were used in the crime along with SIM cards. So as of now, investigation is going on. Sri Seng Kemara is an ex-militant group. He has been rehabilitated and he is the main culprit in this case in North Garo Hills. He has been wanted in Assam police as well. Assam court has given NBWA against him. And we will be handing him over to Assam police as even the investigation is over in North Garo Hills. So far, investigation is going on and more arrests will take place. There are around 7 to 8 members in this regroup, so we will not be sparing them and we will be going after them. So that is all from us. Regarding that, I would like to say that most of the arms hidden by GNLA have been recovered and seized in Williamnagar. Many of the arms have been recovered during my time when I was posted there. So as of now, recently we don't have any seizure. We are working on it, we are investigating because there was a social media posting. We are still matters under investigation, which have been used in the crime because they have demanded fund ransom of 20,000 from the victim in North Garo Hills. As of now, Sing San is the only member which have arrested, who is a trained member. So he was an ex-UALA member, United Achik Liberation Army, that's all.